everyone. Gagajoy's cooking. Today I thought we'd make something cute and simple. And it's one of those things that you love to make because it is so easy. It's just mini pizzas. You know, you get this pizza rolls in the grocery store. Well, why not make them? They're easy. And they're cheaper. And you can put on it what you want to. So, these are just, of course, the little crescent rolls. I don't know why that one sort of opened itself, so maybe it's a little bit harder to do that way. We'll manage. We've got a rolling pin. I tell you, there's just not too much you can't make with crescent rolls. Someone had a good idea. I've never heard anyone say they made them from scratch, have you? Maybe this one will come out better. It don't look like it is, but we'll work with it. There's nobody that doesn't love pepperoni and pizza, I don't think. Although I do like Italian sausage on pizza sometimes. But there's nothing any better than pepperoni, I don't think. Just patching this up here a little bit. My aunt, she lived in the coal fields, and her family was Italian. They were truly from Italy, and they moved here, moved to the coal fields because that's where the good jobs were at that time. And I asked one time, I said, Do you like pepperoni? Because that's going to make her pepperoni pizza. She said, oh no. She said, I can't stand pepperoni. She said, when I was growing up, she said, my mother and daddy made pepperoni. And she said they would make it and put them in the rolls or the stuffings, the casings. And she said they put them on a string and hung them behind the cook stove in the kitchen with buckets underneath it. And all night long, she said, I couldn't sleep for the grease dropping down the pepperoni to the buckets. And she said, I've never liked pepperoni because she said, I grew up listening to it cure, I guess is what you do. But, well, I guess that would tend to get to you. But, you know, pepperoni has a good life to it. Okay, now I've got just pepperoni sauce, not pepperoni sauce, but pizza sauce. Mine has a little bit of garlic in it and olive oil. And it smells so good. Of course, it calls for 2 tablespoons, and I would pretty much stick to that because if you don't, it just gets too sloppy. And this is one that was a strong one, so it's for sure you're going to get the good flavor out of it. This is something that little grandkids love too. And of course, you just roll it like a pinwheel. Roll. I think we'll probably have a few little seams that have to be pinched together. And that's not hard to do. Push it together as much as I can. I don't want it to be too spread out. Okay. Let's see if this one will. Let me try a couple of knives here. I just put some parchment paper down on mine. See how that goes. You want them spacing pretty good apart because now that one don't do any better than one I had. So that they'll be browned all the way around. And hopefully your crescent rolls will turn out a little bit different than mine did, but I know they'll turn out good anyway. Because after all, it's crescent rolls. And if they don't shape good, you can shape them. And I like to make recipes that you can hide your mistakes. And I do think this would be one of them. Well, so far I've got 9, 10, 11, 13. So that's still a pretty good fit. Put it here so we can put a little something on it. Well, I have plenty of pepperoni. Let's put a slice of pepperoni. See, it's just about the same size as the dough is, so makes a nice little mini pizza. Okay, that's good. I've got my oven heating, well, it's already heated to 375. Maybe we should put sliced these on this. We can corral it back up on top of it. I'm sure they're going to smell good cooking anyway. I think it's covered pretty good. There's probably as much on the pan as it is on the pizza dough. Okay, let me stick them in the oven. Well, just got my pizza out, mini pizzas out. And the cheese did go a little while, but I tell you the truth, but I sort of like the cheese when it gets like that. Just going to sort of fold it over. So this will be a real cheese pepperoni pizza on it. A little hot. Oops. Oh. I think I'll take a bite of this one. Well, as far as I'm concerned, Pizza Hut has a competition here. No, it is so good though. I think what makes it so good is the crescent rolls. Well, the pepperoni and cheese are right up there. Well, this is a simple little snack. Make it when you can, if you like to. I'm sure you make it prettier than I do. You know, I'm not a talented artistic cook. I can cook, but I'm not artistic. Anyway, it's been a wonderful day. So glad you dropped in. I'm glad I got to make these for you. Have a wonderful night and evening. Remember the joy. Take care of yourself. Go down and subscribe and ring that bell. See you soon. Bye.